The book of Genesis, as the foundational text of the Bible, offers profound insights into the nature of creation, the existence of time, and the relationship between God and the universe. This perspective, while deeply rooted in theological tradition, can also be examined through a scientific lens, revealing a complex interplay between faith and reason. By exploring how God perceives time, how celestial bodies serve as markers of existence, and how the vastness of the universe reflects divine transcendence, we gain a deeper understanding of Genesis and its implications for humanity. Genesis opens with the powerful declaration, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." This introduction sets the stage for a creation that unfolds over 6 days, culminating in the creation of humanity. The phrase, "in the beginning," suggests a starting point in time, yet this notion is immediately complicated by the idea that God exists outside of time. For God, who exists beyond the constraints of the physical universe, the past, present, and future are not sequential, but rather simultaneously present. This perspective aligns with modern scientific understandings of time, particularly the theories of relativity proposed by Albert Einstein. In relativity, time is not a constant, but is relative to the observer's speed and gravitational field. This framework suggests that while humans experience time linearly, moving from past to present to future, the cosmos itself operates in a far more complex manner. Just as Einstein's theory posits that time can stretch and contract, God's view of time encompasses all of creation's history at once, allowing for an eternal perspective on events. In Genesis, the creation of celestial bodies is described as having a specific purpose. "Let there be light in the expanse of the heavens to separate the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons, and for days and years." This statement highlights the role of the stars, sun, and moon in marking the passage of time and the cycles of life on Earth. From a scientific viewpoint, stars are indeed critical to our understanding of time. The life cycles of stars, spanning millions to billions of years, provide a cosmic clock against which we can measure both the age of the universe and the timeline of Earth's existence. For instance, our Sun, a middle-aged star, is about 4.6 billion years old and will continue to shine for several billion more before it exhausts its nuclear fuel. The cycles of stellar formation and destruction are not merely cosmic phenomena. They represent the larger rhythms of existence that have implications for life on Earth. Additionally, the gravitational pull of celestial bodies influences Earth's own rhythms, such as the changing seasons and the cycle of tides. These interactions underscore a harmonious relationship between humanity and the cosmos, suggesting that our existence is intricately woven into the fabric of the universe. One of the most profound implications of the scientific exploration of the universe is the realization of its vastness. With billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, the sheer scale of the cosmos evokes a sense of awe. This vastness serves as a backdrop for understanding the nature of God, who is not confined by space or time. The galaxies, with their complex structures and movements, represent the boundless creativity and power of the divine. The concept of transcendence is central to many theological discussions about God. If God is the creator of the universe, then he is also beyond it, operating on a level that humans cannot fully comprehend. This idea aligns with various scientific theories that propose multiple dimensions and the possibility of universes beyond our own. Just as physicists explore the nature of reality beyond the observable universe, theologians can contemplate a divine reality that exists beyond human experience. The exploration of Genesis through a scientific framework does not diminish its theological significance. Rather, it enriches our understanding of both faith and the natural world. The perspectives of Genesis can be seen as historical representations of cosmic truths, inviting believers and thinkers alike to engage with the complexities of existence. The creation. Historicity illustrates a universe that is both orderly and dynamic, reflecting the character of a God who is deeply involved in his creation, yet also beyond it. Furthermore, The scientific inquiry into the origins of the universe, such as the Big Bang Theory, does not necessarily contradict the creation account in Genesis. Instead, it can be viewed as a complementary exploration of how God might have initiated the universe. The understanding of cosmic evolution over billions of years invites reflection on the profound mysteries of creation, echoing the wonder expressed in Genesis.
When scientists and philosophers reason from evidence, they typically use a method of reasoning that has a technical name. It's called inferring to the best explanation, where the best explanation is one where you're invoking a cause which has the kind of powers that would be required to explain the phenomenon of interest. And you correctly pointed out in your conversation with him that when you get back to that, what physicists often call the singularity, the point where matter, space, time, and energy begin to exist, the materialist is really up against a huge conundrum, because prior to the origin of matter, there is no matter to do the causing. That's what we mean by the origin of matter, that's where it starts.
Right.
And so if you want to invoke a cause which is sufficient to explain the origin of matter, you can't invoke matter. It's in principle, the materialistic explanations are in principle insufficient. So you need to invoke something which is external to the material universe and is not bounded by time and space as well.